groove, slam, work it back, filter that,
Baby, bump that track. Weird.
work it back. Filter that, baby, bump that track, groove, slam, work it back. Space cowboy, just play that track.
I like that. Space cowboy.
In the room, show starstruck.
Cherry room. You had it wrong. Oh wow. What's up? Freaking. We haven't gotten to Garrett's house yet, but
Put your hands on my waist.
we're waiting. Water. Or is it water?
Ew, they don't want to see you.
I look so bad right now, but that's okay. It's not even on me. Thanks a lot, Ben. No.
We're enjoying ourselves.
Look, I have that in my hand. I could have dropped it.
Oh, I love those cups.
See that in my hand now? Like my hand's all shaking. I thought I was gonna drop it. Wait. Let me go down.
For those of you who didn't hear, Jasmine just asked Zara if she could go down. Oh, I love these. How much are these? Seriously, I actually might want to get one of these.
Oh my gosh.
These. Oh, it's alright.
Go down.
No! You dropped me! You're not
Theo.
bend your leg.
Oh, you dropped me.
Okay, baby. We'll just ditch Ben and run. Okay, so we just found a shopping cart, so Jasmine put Ben in it, and
Don't kill me. Whoa, motherfucker.
oh my God, let go of him!
That was the death of Ben.
I'm not gonna kill you, Ben.
Mwah.